So today we're gonna mix it up, mix the Rubik's cube up and fix it. So at first I have to mix it up. Okay, so I mixed it up and let's do it. So first you have to turn down. Uh-oh, I think I just messed it up too badly. I don't know. Okay, hopefully this will work. Oh please, man, I wanna be lucky. I got lucky. Dum, 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 dum. Oh! Now you try. So first, wait. We have to spin it, put it down. Now we go back, and then we get it. So we start at yellow. Just imagine you want to put this here. Watch. Turn the bottom one, and this goes here. If you want to turn it back, you can watch. Turn this up, and the orange one stays like that. Well, the color stays same. Now let me mix it up, and maybe we can solve it. So it starts from here. Okay, so you like that. Now let's, it's still the same. Let me mix it up. Now it's mixed up. Now let's do it. Oh my god, I think I'm not lucky. Please like or comment if you think I'm lucky. And I'm lucky. Oh yeah, this is how I do the clocking dance. Three, two, one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See one how I jump? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Jump. Yeah. Jump. Bye. This is my favorite color. Yellow.